Hi everyone, sorry for the late post. Today I'm going to share with you the update of the Lisianthus that I overwinter in my garden from last year. So I am in the gardening zone 6A, Missouri. I overwinter this Lisianthus to see if it will survive the winter here. And early this spring, they come out unharmed and new life emerge from the old stem, as you can see from this video. So all of these are Lisianthus from last year. I harvest them, and in the fall I cover them with lots of leaf, and in the early spring this is how they look like. So in July, this is how all of these Lisianthus look like. They come out with nice bunch of bloom and steady stem. Although some of them do have a shorter stem, I can say that they are all doing pretty good considering I can still use all of them as a filler for my cut flower bouquet. So for the growth comparison with this year Lisianthus, I did make a mistake by planting a different variety of Lisianthus. So I was unable to do a good comparison. I take note of this mistake and will do a better growth comparison for next year. But as you can see, this pink double linie Lisianthus is the Lisianthus that I overwinter from last year. And as you can see, some of them have a shorter stem and some of them have a nice length as this year Lisianthus. But I cannot make a good conclusion of this because they are from different variety. But I can safely say that you can overwinter your Lisianthus if you are in the gardening zone 6A. So if you have Lisianthus in the ground this year, cover them with bunch of leaf and they will come next year with nice bunch for you. I hope this video will be beneficial for your garden need. And if you like the content of our channel, consider subscribing to our channel. And I see you next time.